We're here in Collegetown Center. We're on the 5th floor. You can see the elevator is across the hall from us. We're going to go around and we're going into apartment number 520. So I wanted to show you the position of this floor. We are closer to the elevator here. The apartment is a north rectangle style. So we've seen some of these styles already. We'll go into the kitchen. You've got your refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher, the microwave, the stove and oven. There's cabinets below and above. Let's go on into the apartment. We'll take a look. Okay, we'll pass by the closet on our left. We'll look into there. So here's the closet. Here's your closet space. We'll go and see the bathroom, which is over here. This is the same style bathroom that we have in the other units in the building. So we've got the standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, the medicine cabinet. Let's go on into the apartment. So you can see we've got the desk and chair, the full-size bed, the air conditioner under the window, the dining table and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf over here. So this is the north rectangle style apartment. This is what we have the most units of this style. It's styles 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 on the north side or street side of the building. So we're on Dryden Road. We're up on floor 5, so that's one of the higher floors. So we've got a great view of Central Collegetown. We've got some good people watching here out on the street, so that's always fun. We also want to show you some different samples of the apartment so you can get some different ideas for furniture placement and have some ideas for how you'd like to set up your own apartment. That's the bathroom door that we were just in. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, unit number 520. We're on the 5th floor of this 6th floor building. This is the north rectangle style, the style that we have the most availability of. And we're at Collegetown Center, 151 Dryden Road. We're located just 1 block from campus.